Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a very special day. We're gonna do a couple videos today. We've got a guest in the wood yard and he brought a big saw. So Quinn, why don't you show us what he got? So we got a whole lineup of saws today. There's a couple new saws in here, not ours, a 462. And then we got this one here, a Stihl MS 151. Quinn's been really excited to run a small saw like this. He's been talking about it for a while. So what do you got?
Well, we got a guy that was nice enough and a great follower to bring us this glorious unit.
A81. So Aaron is here. He watches the channel and he happened to sell me my least favorite chainsaw I've ever owned, the 562. And he brought out his A81 for us to try out and run. So we're gonna cut some wood. Aaron, why did you buy a Stihl A81?
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
So you've had a lot of saws. What's some of your notable saws you've had?
Pretty much all the Stihl Pro saws and the Huskies. The only one I don't have anymore is the 562, and I have two 550s because they're my favorite.
Your favorite saw? And you've had a Stihl 261, right?
Oh, what?
The 261?
I did, and I sold it and bought another 550.
Yeah, this guy buys and sells a lot of saws. He's trying them all out. And you've had 661s?
Yeah.
You've had 500 eyes?
Yes.
And you ended up, your lineup now consists of?
Two 550s, a 462, a 151, and the 881.
And is this the final lineup?
No, probably not.
Probably not. What's next on the list that you're gonna try?
Either a ported 562 or a 572.
Very interesting, very interesting. So we're gonna get these guys fired up. We're gonna find some big wood in this pile to really test them out, because we can't be cutting some little baby wood with this thing. We need to really put her to the power.
And it's got a 50-inch bar.
50-inch bar. And you also have a couple other bars for it?
Yes.
And what, you got a 41 and a 25?
Correct.
And you said the 25 is kind of scary?
Yes. It's very fast.
Very fast. Quinn, do you have any thoughts on today?
I think we're going to run a lot of saws and cut a lot of wood.
That's the way to go. We also got the splitter out here, so we'll be doing some splitting too. But the ground's pretty mushy today, so maybe not too much splitting, but definitely a lot of cutting. So let's get to it. What's your initial impressions with it?
Heavy, but it's got the pow.
It has no dog in it, even with the 50-inch bar.
It'll pull you.
What's interesting about it too is it's not high revving. It's just straight torque.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And you said the older 880s don't rev as high as this one?
They're about the same.
Okay, about the
Because
same.
this is still carbureted too.
I gotcha. Yeah, it made quick work of that giant wood, and I don't know, it's probably 30 something inches around because there wasn't too much of the bar sticking out the other side. And
I would say it's a little bit bigger than that on that end because there was little bar sticking out.
there's no dog in it, and that's a full comp chain.
No, it's a full skip.
Full skip. Yes. It's hard to tell. It's so big.
There's a lot of teeth on it.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Quinn, we need to buy some of these things.
Yeah, no kidding. You made ease of that.
Oh.
I'm trying to All right. Ready?
Yeah. I think we're stuck on our shavings.
Well, that's probably good enough to get to the back of it.
All right, guys, that's it. We're done. Just kidding. Aaron's switching over, and he's going to put a smaller bar on, and then we're going to noodle these chunks that they just cut up.
Put something a little more manageable on there. So you're putting a 25 on, right, Aaron?
Yes, sir.
This thing is just long. I tell you what, after running this 881 for a few cuts, I picked up my 592, and I was like, man, this thing feels like a 550 or something now. It is so light compared to that thing. I think once we change the bar on it, it will be a lot less nose heavy and it won't be so bad. This is Aaron's cool tool he brought. Besides the big saw, he's got this scrunch, and it's a ratcheting scrunch, 12 point, looks super heavy duty. It is 19 millimeter, and the other one is 13 or half inch, 3/4 and half inch. It works for Stihl and Husqvarna.
There you go.
And then it's got a flathead on the end, looks super heavy duty. Quentin's gonna order 5 of them when we get done today.
Probably.
That's sweet. I didn't even know they made that thing.
They're 18 bucks a piece or something like that.
I'll get a couple anyway.
Boys.
It's a monster.
Absolutely rips.
Is that fast enough?
It's heavy. Well, I'll tell you what that won't do is that won't run a 50-inch bar like that one.
I stopped it a couple times. I was prying on it hard.
They're pretty close, but that one just like sinks in and it's so effortless. I think you pry on that one a little bit more.
Yeah, I was pushing pretty hard.
I pried on that pretty hard too. I should have just let it fall.
Yeah, that thing is a noodle monster and it just throws out giant shavings.
I like it.
All right, so Aaron, I don't have anything as impressive as the 881 for you to run, but you said you'd never run a 592 before.
I'm not.
So he's gonna try it out and we'll find something to noodle. Passing the torch. You like it?
Yeah.
You like the weight of it?
Yeah.
I don't
Especially
think it's too
after
bad. Yeah, it does feel light compared to the 881. I feel like it's a pretty good saw.
I could pry harder on this one. That one, we can just let it fall.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yes. Well, that's what I was saying when Quentin was, you guys were doing the cutoff. Quentin was really torquing on it.
Yeah.
And yours was kind of just falling, chewing.
And that's 404. This is 3/8.
Yep.
What I like about that one too is it really has the low end grunt. So like when you really start to bury it, you can feel it and you can push into it just enough to where you know it's not going to kill out. But if you do, you just pop it up for a split second, it's right back to where it was.
I like it.
All right, so we got some of this cut, and in the middle of cutting this, Aaron said he brought a gift. So you brought a gift?
Yep.
I really don't like accepting gifts, but
You have no choice.
I guess we have no choice. I told you you'll find some money in your truck somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe your kids will find it or your wife will find it.
Buy me lunch.
Buy you lunch.
No, we're going to have to go to the steakhouse for lunch today. Then.
Yeah, I'll take him Longhorn. All right, what do you got, Aaron?
Well,
Have to go to Indy to read crisp or something.
stay there.
Stay here. Stay back.
Just keep the camera on you.
Aaron's got a pretty nice truck, too.
It is a really nice truck.
Ready?
Some dogs? 592 dogs. Hell yeah. These things with my 32-inch bar are gonna make the saw look mean.
Now, in order to make those work on your saw, you have to have the wrap handle clutch cover.
The wrap handle clutch cover.
Because it doesn't have the captured nuts on it.
Okay. Very cool, Aaron.
And here's the wrap handle because it comes as a kit.
A wrap handle too? Oh my gosh. But this saw is gonna look bad.
Such a swell guy.
I can't believe you got this.
You're welcome.
I don't even know. I obviously say thank you, but I don't know what I did to deserve getting this stuff.
Keep making videos.
Keep making videos. Well, turns out Aaron paid me a lot sooner than YouTube paid us. So, but this is freaking sweet. Wrap handle on the 592. I'm holding it wrong. I was like, how the hell is this gonna fit? Obviously, it goes like this, dummy. Yeah, I can't believe you got this, Aaron. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Freaking new cover, dogs.
Yeah, you gotta have the. That one has captured nuts on it, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yes. See the way these dogs work? It's like the old school ones.
Yes.
It comes off every time you take the cover off.
I know. I cut my capture nuts off the other one.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. This is incredible. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me give you a hug. Well, I really appreciate it, Aaron. What is the rubber for? Did it come with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you throw your chain will catch your handle.
I got you.
Might want to check the gas. Oh yeah. I think Tracy.
She's got one cut left in her.
He thinks he's big and bad.
Alright guys, so we're back from lunch. Aaron is going to try out the Husqvarna 572 for the first time, see how he likes it. Here we go. right, what's your thoughts on 572s? First time you ever run one?
I like it.
You like it?
It seems like it's less vibration than the Stihls.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. And then you switched to this saw a couple cuts through. What do you think of that one compared to the other one?
You really couldn't tell a difference.
Couldn't tell. The dogs were nicer though.
Yes, they were.
Because I noticed when you were up here on the
I
top.
was sliding on that one.
Yes. And that's when Quentin went and got the other one. And
I'm used to those.
yeah, big improvement compared to the stock dogs. So would you buy one?
Yeah.
Over a 562? Still haven't thought about that.
I want to buy a ported one, so I really don't know.
I gotcha.
It's giving me stuff to think about though.
Yeah. Yep. All right, guys, so we're gonna cut more wood. We'll get back to you. Hi. I got an 881 here. Aaron's going to get to the cause. He says we need real saws. We got weenie saws, so 881 boys. It's heavy. It makes the 592 feel like a 550.
And Aaron, he's
So I cut with the not a 5 something. That sucker's an 881. It's aggressive. 404 chain. First time I ever used it. It's aggressive. Aaron was cutting with the 592. First time using it. Still pleased with it?
Yeah.
But you said the 572's got you?
I think so. It's just a smooth saw.
aggressive.
Look at the curve from 404 to 3/8.
Yeah,
that's a good point
too.
That's the 404 there, like Aaron said, and then a 3/8. Big gaps. Big gaps.
A lot of wasted product.
Wasted product. Yeah, you're costing us money right there.
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun, so that's all that matters.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right, guys, so we're cut some wood. We're going to noodle all these pieces up. close out the video, and then we're gonna start splitting it all. So Quinn, what are you gonna be using? 661?
Loud boy.
Aaron has chose to use the 572. He's still wanting to try it out before he buys one, so I think it'll work great for him. We'll put you guys on a time lapse and get to cutting. Got all of it cut up and noodled up, and we had great help from Aaron and Quentin. It was great cutting with you guys. Aaron, we really appreciate you coming out, showing us your saw and stuff,
And letting us play with it.
and letting us play with this. You gonna buy one?
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. It was a good saw. We had a great time. Aaron tried out the 592 and the 572. He said he's been thinking about buying a 572, so maybe if we steered him in the right direction.
I think something might happen in the next week or two.
No.
Pretty quick.
Hopefully your wife doesn't watch YouTube videos. It's just gonna be a mystery. Why did this show up? But anyways, thanks for coming out, guys.
See, the thing is, if once you get so many, she don't know how many you had. So
That's true.
adding another one won't.
Yeah, it's just another
Yeah, it's just like guns.
thing on the wall.
Yeah.
Is this one new? Nope, I've had that one for a long time, honey.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It doesn't look like it's been used. Yeah, it's a collector's piece.
Yep.
So that'll do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoyed the big saw. And we'll see you on the next one.
Split move.
So yeah, work's not done yet. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna split all this up with these two made. We'll give her a go.